Finally, fall is here and I can post a lot of DIYs, room decor slash treat idea perfect for autumn slash fall. So I'm super excited to show you what I prepared for you this season, and I'm 100% sure that you are going to like it because this year is different and I want to make sure that you are going to try these DIYs because they're going to be easy, quick and cheap, and also some treats that you are going to fall in love with them. Literally so easy, and if you love cinnamon as I do, you are going to love these treats 99%. So the first DIY that I'm actually showing you right now is so cute. It's not as hard as it looks, but you have to make sure that you have all the equipment for this. I'm using this yarn to make sure that my polystyrene balls are going to stick together. And if you don't like this DIY, you can obviously make that regular yarn thing. I don't know the name, but it was so popular and you can buy in stores. And I think that it's easier to see than to explain what I'm basically doing right now. So if you want an explanation, I just did a hole inside of the polystyrene ball, and after that I added the yarn inside of it, and now I'm going to double knot it to make sure that the ball will stay at his place. And I'm also repeating with the smaller ball. And obviously I want to ask you something. Comment down below what is your favorite season, because I actually can't wait to read your comment. And I also have another question. Do you want to keep my username as Justanordinarygirl10 or to change it with my real name? Because I'm actually thinking to change my username and to be closer to you guys, because I feel like I'm just posting, DIY videos and treats, but I'm not telling you anything about me. So comment down below and I'm going to read all of your comments. And now I'm adding some fake flowers. And if you don't know what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to create a hanger for this beautiful DIY. And now the last step is to add whatever you want on your balls. I'm going to stick with some fake flowers and some again fake flowers, and I'm adding this fake mushroom. And that's all I did for this beautiful DIY. Moving on to a beautiful DIY and also so easy, and I really want you to create this because it's so quick and it's not expensive at all. So I'm writing happiness is hot chocolate because I don't drink coffee, but if you're a coffee lover you can obviously write coffee. And I'm continuing writing, and I'm writing on a fall day because fall day are here, and combined with hot chocolate or coffee is going to be a joyful day. And now I'm just drawing a leaf. But if you don't want, I totally forgot to mention, if you don't want to use crayons or things like this, you can obviously use some painting as acrylics. and it's going to be the same result. Last but not least, I'm drawing another leaf, and basically that's all I'm doing for this amazing DIY, which is Instagrammable. And if you want to see this, just search me on Instagram. Recently I've been trying macarons, and I totally love these little treats. Comment down below, what is your favorite treat? As I've said before, I'm going to show you some yummy treats perfect for fall. So this one is actually called breakfast pizza or healthy pizza. So to make this healthy pizza, you are going to need 2 bananas, and just mash those bananas. Two cups of oats and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, but if you love cinnamon you can add actually more because you will not feel the taste. And now mix it all together, and in a cake pan I'm going to add this healthy and easy composition. Also, I'm trying to create an autumn vibe on my Instagram account, so if you want to support me there, or if you want to see what I'm posting, just search on Instagram Justanordinarygirl10 and subscribe me if you want to see more posts. And now I'm going to add this in the oven for 20 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, this is how my cake looks like, or I can call it the pizza crust, the pizza base. And for the topping, I'm adding some Greek yogurt. And last but not least, I'm adding some pineapple, some grapes, apples, and some blueberries. If you want this to be sweeter, you can obviously add some honey. And now I'm slicing my pizza, and this little treat is perfect for fall, for breakfast. And I think you should guys try this out. And now let's enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos on my YouTube channel, subscribe me. And actually, if you want to support me more, tell your friends about my YouTube channel, because I'm kind of feeling that I'm not posting good videos, so I kind of need a support. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you next Saturday. Bye guys, have an amazing day and also an amazing week.